Circus SE buys FullyAI. The rise of autonomous food robots begins. Circus SE, the robotics company redefining how we cook, has just announced the acquisition of agentic AI firm FullyAI. And it's a pretty big deal. CEO Nicholas Bullwinkle says this move takes them closer to creating a global nutrition intelligence layer, kind of like Tesla's brains for self-driving, but for food. FullyAI brings real-time decision-making, predictive maintenance, and personalized experience to the table, quite literally. Their CA1 cooking robot will now run on what Circus calls a cognitive engine, turning data from kitchens, inventory, and customer behavior into insights that make the system smarter every day. It's not just a robot that cooks, it's one that learns what you like, adapts to demand, and maybe even reminds you when you're out of oat milk. With a new AI leadership on board from Meta and brand experience from Tesla and McDonald's, Circus SE is gearing up to scale globally, bringing a smarter, more responsive future to food service. The robots are learning, but don't worry, for now they're still taking orders. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.